It's now time to get to the heart of the matter and find out where all that methanol ends up. Under and protruding from the bonnet rests a none too subtle-looking Ford 393 Cleveland V8. Tim's own two hands managed to take care of the majority of the mechanical aspects of the build at his engine shop. Full torque performance. All the wiring, fuel system, engine, and transmission building and suspension was on his own time, leaving only some aluminium fabrication and final engine tuning to be outsourced. The most noticeable feature is the Enderle Big Ugly injector hat, which sure makes our statement. It sits atop a modified Weiand Hi-Ram tunnel ram and Australian-made AFD 4-valve alloy heads. The internals received the same grand treatment as the exterior, and to quote Tim directly, a pretty F-number king big competition solid camshaft and springs are fitted. There's also a forged crank, ACL raised bearings, trend 3/8 push rods, and SRP forged pistons with Hastings rings to ensure the Cleveland is as close to bulletproof as possible. I say bulletproof, but because nothing is burnout proof. That said, the coupe has been running consistently for 2 years now. A 4-stage custom dry sump system has probably added some level of insurance against burnout-related catastrophic failure. An MSD-8AL ignition kit sparks through an MSD Pro billet distributor and leads kit, while the exhaust gases are vented through to a custom twin 3-inch system. Engine cooling is controlled by a custom Aussie desert cooler and SPAL thermofan. Finally, engine power is transferred to a 2-speed Powerglide trans with a 3,500 RPM stall converter currently fitted for burnouts. Tim says that a 5,000 RPM stall for racing is on the cards in the near future. Safety wasn't overlooked during the build, and a full SPI-rated case and bell housing are there to protect legs if something untoward was to happen at high revs. Once again, the same no corners cut business plan is evident wherever one looks around the interior. It's simple and uncluttered. All the important controls and information are laid out in easy-to-use and almost elegant manner. A pair of Kirky race seats and an SPI-approved roll cage are the final pieces of an unruly but fine creation. Taking you guys on a detailed tour of such a finely detailed car just makes me shake my head. I still don't understand why someone would build something to this high standard just to thrash the shit about it. I mean, at least half of me is impressed, but I'm left feeling a little confused. Despite my confusion.